From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
In this diagram, PMQ is 34 degrees, NQM is 28 degrees. Use the information to answer the questions 37 and 38. 37 says, find QTN. QTN. That means you are looking for this angle. And what I usually tell my students is, start from the angles you know. You want to ask yourself, from the angles you know, which other angles can you get? So, mere looking at this and this, I can easily get here because the exterior angle of a triangle is the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So angle NPN is simply 28 degrees plus 34 degrees. The exterior angle of a triangle is the sum of the two opposite interior angles, which is 62 degrees. But what we are looking for is this angle here. And for us to get this angle, from this, I know what this is because angles on the same base are equal from circle theory. Angles on the same base. Just the way this is 34 degrees, this is also 34 degrees. Likewise, if this, which we have gotten, is 62 degrees, this will be 62 degrees. We call it angles on the same base. And if we know that this is 62, we can get what here is by subtracting it from 180 since it's angle on a straight line. So angle QTN we are looking for will be 180 degrees minus 62 from angle on a straight line, and that will give us 118 degrees. And the correct answer is D. Question 38 says find MPN. MPN is what we have gotten already. MPN. MPN is simply 28 degrees plus 34 degrees. The reason is exterior angle of a triangle equals sum of the two opposite interior angle. And that should give us 62 degrees, which we have gotten. And that's A.